I feel like I'm the only one in the world who still puts on highlighter with a fan brush. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria if you don't know me, and in today's video I'm just bringing you guys a get ready with me. I feel like y'all like to get ready with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep them coming. Today's get ready with me, I'm really just getting ready to go out with a friend. So yeah, I'm just getting ready for that. So I went and did this like nice little cute simple makeup look. Same for the outfit, cute but simple. This video is gonna be a full get ready with me. So I'm literally installing my wig, doing my makeup start to finish, and I'm also showing you guys my full outfit. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already, if you enjoy the content, of course. And if you guys want to see me get ready to just go hang out tonight, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm starting by installing my wig. I'm putting my wig cap on first, and I'm gonna put it like kind of low so I can cut where my ears are gonna go. Well, where my ears are. Not where they're gonna go, but where they are. So now that my ear holes are cut, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Pump It Up hairspray. I personally like to use this more than Got To Be because it's just way stronger. Like, it works a lot better. I don't know why nobody uses this. I mean, not nobody, but nobody I've seen. So I'm just gonna spray it so that it can stick, and then I'm gonna start to blow dry it. So I'm gonna speed through this part because obviously y'all don't wanna hear my blow dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's dry, so I'm gonna just start cutting it. I really like how much easier it is to do this with the other hairspray, the Pump It Up hairspray, because I feel like whenever I use Got To Be, maybe I just wasn't waiting for it to dry enough. I don't know, or maybe this one is just stickier. But yeah, like whenever I use Got To Be, I feel like it was so hard to get like the ear parts to lay down, but y'all see this, like now I could do it with no problem. And it's crazy because when I first used that hairspray, it's because I just ran out of Got To Be. Like, it wasn't on purpose. I mean, I used it on purpose, but you know, I didn't intend to use it for this purpose. Now I'm just cutting off these additional pieces because you definitely don't want to see those. But I don't want to keep going too far because I feel like the more I keep trying to cut, the more I'm pulling it up, if that makes sense. So just cut as much as you can. This is actually a wig that I made kind of a while ago, but I didn't really wear it like that. So I'm wearing it now, but I'm just putting it on to just kind of get a feel of like where it's about to lay. So like if the stocking cap comes outside of where the wig is gonna lay, then obviously I need to take that part of the stocking cap off. See, so like this is fine, but I need to get rid of this part right here. So I'm gonna just pull it up and cut it. And now when you lay it, it doesn't come out. It's okay if you see it right here because we're gonna fix that anyway, but now you know that it's gonna lay. And I'm honestly gonna take a little bit of this off too because I just feel like it's a little bit too close. And now on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now that I'm finally done cutting the cap to kind of like fit where my lace is gonna go, I'm just gonna push the cap back. I'm gonna fold it back actually. And there's some brown on my cap because I sprayed this even tinted lace. I sprayed that onto my wig, that's why my cap is like a little bit of brown. But that's totally fine because I'm about to spray it on my cap anyway so that it can match my skin color. So now we're basically ready to start the glue. This is the glue that I'm using. It's the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I got it in like a really tiny size, y'all, because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, but I actually really do like it. And it's supposed to be waterproof. So I want this install to last like kind of long. So I'm gonna do like 3 layers of this. And by kind of long, I mean like, I don't know. I feel like other people's installs be lasting longer than mine, so I don't want this to sound bad, but this will probably be on for like 3 days. I'm pretty sure you can get it to last longer, but me, I feel like I probably just be doing too much, and that's why my wigs don't last that long. But yeah, so I'm gonna do 3 layers, and it's probably gonna last me like 3 days. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my wig down. Okay, so obviously this ain't it, but I'm gonna take my comb and just kind of like, oh my gosh, this is turning into like an install video. This is not what this is supposed to be, y'all. So let me hurry this up. Okay, so yeah, I'm just combing it back into the glue so that it will hold. Okay, so now that it's glued down, I just have to glue down these little like extra pieces. Then I'm just gonna tie my hair down and get started on my makeup. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll be back and we'll be getting ready for the makeup. Okay, y'all, so I finished gluing down my hair. I did some baby hairs. I'm probably gonna end up like playing with those a little bit some more at the end because they didn't really, they look fine, but I feel like I'm probably just gonna end up like, I don't know, changing them at the end. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I did my eyebrows already. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do my eyebrows, like I always say, I have a video on that, so I'll link it above. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my eyes. My eyes are gonna be really simple today. I'm just going out with a friend, so I don't know, I just don't feel like it needs to be that extra. So I'm gonna be going into the Masquerade Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going into this light, well, it's really not that light, but it's a brown shade called Burkina. I'm not really sure if the proper way to pronounce it is Burkina, but that's what it looks like to me, so that's the color I'm using, and it's just gonna be my transition shade. So I'm putting that right into my crease, and I'm dragging it out a little bit towards the end of my eyebrow almost. Now I'm gonna go into this warmer color. It's called Zulu, and this is just gonna kind of warm up the color on my eye a little bit so it's not as cool toned. And I'm kind of putting that a little bit under the first color. So can you tell the difference? Like this eye is a lot warmer than that one. For the lid, I'm taking this shimmery color. It's called Zahria. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if I'm saying any of this right, but y'all get the point. I'm just taking it with like a flat brush, and I'm just gonna pack it right onto my lid. It kind of ended up like a cut crease a little bit, but it's like a very soft cut crease. Like it's nothing crazy. Now I'm gonna take the first brush that I was using, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. And then also in this corner over here. And I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation, and it's in the shade Mocha. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Usually I use a sponge, but I'm gonna use a brush today because that's how I'm feeling. Okay, so my foundation is on. I'm so not used to doing that with the brush, y'all. Like I very rarely use a brush, but I don't know, I was just feeling it today. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to concealer. This is the Clinique Even Better concealer, and I'm just putting that right up under my eyes and everywhere else that I conceal. And I'm just gonna blend that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes now, or set everywhere that I put my concealer. I'm using this Banana Deep Makeup Revolution powder. I'm putting it right everywhere that I put the concealer. And this sponge that I'm using, you guys, is actually like a powder sponge from Real Techniques. I've noticed that it drops a whole lot more powder than your regular sponge. So I guess it just like doesn't absorb it like the other sponge does, and that's why my face looks like this. But it's cool because I mean, I guess you're not like wasting as much product. So now I'm just wiping it off. Okay, so now that this is basically done, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm gonna be using my Brownie Bar from Beauty Bakery. I like this contour shade that they have because it's like a little bit warmer. I really wanna start getting bronzers. I just be finding it kind of hard to find bronzers that are like dark enough. And I'm pretty sure they're out there. I feel like I'm just not looking hard enough because girl, like there has to be. It's literally 2020, there has to be something out there. But for now, we're contouring. And then I'm gonna use the blush in that same palette to add some warmth back to my face. Now I'm just contouring my nose with that same shade I contoured my face with. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to highlight. I'm using Nefertiti by Juvia's Place. Y'all know that this is like one of my favorite highlighters. I feel like I'm the only one in the world who still puts on highlighter with a fan brush. But I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I do have another highlighter brush though, so I'm not gonna lie, I probably am gonna start switching it up because, you know, I just don't wanna be doing the same thing all the time. So we'll see. I totally forgot to spray my face before I did this highlighter, but I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty setting spray. I need a fan. I really need to get a fan. But I love the setting spray because it comes out like a mist. Like it don't come out like, I feel like other setting sprays be like a lot on your face. And sometimes I'm just not ready for all that. So I like how this one applies to your face, if that makes sense. I'm gonna move on to my lips now. I'm just using this brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. It's one of the NK makeup ones and the color is just dark brown. Now I'm gonna use this NYX lipstick in Dainty Days. That's the name of the shade. And apply that. And I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with some lip gloss as per usual. Now I'm just go ahead and pop some lashes on real quick and come back. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and put my lashes on and then I took my hair band off so I can start to like do something with my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and middle part it because, I don't know, I've just been doing a middle part like all the time lately. Wow, that was terrible. But yeah, I've been doing nothing but middle parts lately. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my wax stick. This one it's called She Is Bomb Collection. Let me just show it to y'all. This is what it looks like. And I'm putting a little bit on my part. I don't wanna OD because sometimes with straight hair, it'd be looking kind of weird when you put too much wax in it. I guess greasy would be the word. Okay, so my hot comb is hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and there we go. There we go. The good news is my hair is already straight, so I don't even gotta worry about straightening that. I don't know where I got this hair from. I made this wig like a long time ago, but girl, like it tangles. And I'm just over here like, why is it tangling like this? Probably because it's old. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm just trying to comb everything out. I'm trying to make this thing as flat as possible, okay? Now at this point, I'm just playing with it to figure out what I want to do exactly. But I think this is what I want to do. Have it kind of like this. Half in the front, half in the back. I feel like I'm not in the middle. Okay, now I'm in the middle. But yeah, okay, so makeup is done, hair is done. I feel like it looks bomb. It's a nice, I feel like it's just like a nice little simple look. I'm gonna go ahead and go get dressed, go put my clothes on so I can show you guys the full look all together. While I go do that, comment right now if you like this look. Comment if you're feeling the hair. Okay, let me not say I've never worn straight hair, but I don't be wearing my hair straight like this. I usually put some curls in it or do something to give it some body. But I don't know, I've been feeling the straight hair like these past few days or whatever. So let me know how you feel about the straight hair. Let me know if you like the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and go get dressed and then I'll be right back with the entire look. Okay y'all, so this is my outfit. Super simple yet super cute. I'm wearing this bodysuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I think they have very similar bodysuits at Zara if you guys shop there. I paired it with these dark wash jeans from Fashion Nova. Love these jeans, they fit super cute. Like I literally love how these jeans fit. And then I also got this belt from Fashion Nova. It was just like a little belt set, like a black one and a brown one. So I'm wearing the black one and I paired it with this dumpling bag. I think it's super cute, super trendy. This bag is from Zara. It's really cute. You can wear it like this or you can wear it like over the shoulder, however you want. But the strap is also removable. The shoes that I'm wearing, I just paired it with soft boots from Aldo. And then let me get close so I can show y'all the jewelry. So I just put these earrings on, just like some simple little dangly earrings. I'm pretty sure I got them from Forever 21 like a long time ago. But yeah, that's it for the outfit. So let me head back over to the table. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved the hair, the makeup, the outfit. I haven't worn straight hair in so long, y'all. Like I do not be wearing my hair straight. I always curl it. But I decided I was gonna do something a little different. I mean, it's not different, but you know, different for me. So I hope you guys liked it. I really love how the makeup came out. It's very, very warm, very neutral. I like it. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.